what is the function of the diode? So the primary function of the diode is to allow current in one direction while blocking in opposite so we have a material that is separated by a barrier, which is one is positive and the other side is negative. Okay, and the electrical symbol of a diode is this one. So this is positive, this is negative. Okay, and the function or the primary function of a diode is to allow this one is to allow current in one direction while blocking in opposite direction. So ang kung baga sa traffic lights or sa kalsada, so lang to, parang one way, hindi pwedeng bidirectional or hindi. Okay, so in theory we have three approximation method in identifying or in dealing with a diode. So number one is an ideal diode. So an ideal diode is like a switch. So when forward bias the diode is the ideal diode is like a closed switch. This one, forward bias. So closed switch meaning there is a current flowing in the circuit, assuming. And when the diode is reverse bias, it is like a open switch. So there is no current flow during reverse direction. Okay, so this is the diode current curve for a diode. And for the second approximation equivalent, so we have a switch plus a source or a battery. Okay, So during second approximation, forward bias, so we have current flow. By the way, in first approximation diode, once the there's a current applied on the diode, it will function immediately. There's no, what we call this, there's no voltage requiring for us this diode to operate. So in second approximation, we have a knee voltage of 0.7, knee voltage of approximately 0.7 volts before the voltage is before the diode will function. Okay, so this is the equivalent circuit for the second approximation diode. So we have switch plus the source, 0.7 if it is a silicon, 0.3 if it is germanium material. And during forward bias, so this is the equivalent. Okay, and then for third approximation is we have this is knee voltage. We have a switch and source plus resistance. This is resistor. This is what we call a bulk resistance. So when forward bias, this is the circuit look likes. Okay. Okay. Next time we will answer some simple problem regarding diode. Okay, thanks.